Monday, everyone. How's your day going so far? You know, I'm always here to come share any good news with every one of you guys. Trump administration just published a note. They will pay every illegal immigrant who's willing to self-deport themselves back home, and they will pay for all the expense, including 1,000 US dollar. I'm taking it. I'm about to call immigration to come get me. You know why? Because with that $1,000, I could be a zillionaire in 80. I'm going back home. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still gonna make video to make you guys laugh, but I'm taking that money back home because I'm struggling here with that $1,000. I could climb up to